Unboxing new toys. What could this be? It's a wok. It's a new HEXCLAD wok. Yeah. HEXCLAD. 2-quart pot, 3-quart pot, 8-quart pot. All HEXCLAD. Yeah. New toys. These are my HEXCLAD frying pans. I got an 8, a 10, and a 12-inch. Yeah. So excited. New toys.